this seems like a project or a fund that an institutional investor would be extremely interested in. So why are you targeting accredited investors versus just going to your institutional investors and kicking this off the ground today?
That's a really good question. Yeah, well, and we've worked with institutional capital sources over the years, but part of my overall goal includes a social responsibility aspect to it. You know, I think that as a society that we have an obligation to take care of our aging population. And we can do it in senior housing and make a great profit doing it. Our past experience with the institutional capital is that sometimes, most of the time, they're not looking at the end user. They're only looking at a return. Mm-hmm. And so we like, and they get a little short-sighted in that they don't really appreciate the free cash flow and the profits on an annual basis that a project would generate. They're into more flipping. Mm-hmm. And so they have a short horizon in their tolerance, and they miss too much opportunities. And so we prefer to be able to be very opportunistic, but to maximize the potential of every project and still hold true to our values of being socially responsible and taking care of our aging population. Because what we have learned is that when you do all three, you can still be extremely profitable as a business, but you can do something good. Mm-hmm. You can take care of people who can't take care of themselves. You can engage and interact with the community. You can become an important, integral part of the community and make a very, very strong profit while you're doing it. And so we have a little bit different perspective than some of our institutional partners who have just one goal in mind, and that's just to flip.